Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're going to take a look at a space and weight savings from the MR2 Spyder, the facelift model, the 2003 to 2005. Basically, it came with this. It's a full-size spare, and it takes up the entire frunk, as you can see. So what we're going to do is switch that over to a donut that would have come with the 2000 to 2002 model. Let's take a look. So as you can see, the full-size spare takes up pretty much the entire frunk or front trunk area of the MR2 Spyder. It looks bigger than it is because this curves downward, so it basically stops here, and this space is just too small to do pretty much anything with. I'm a big fan of full-size spares, but on this car there's such limited cargo capacity that I really need to reclaim that space, and we can save a little weight. So basically, we bought one from a junkyard. This is from a 2000 to 2002 MR2 Spyder, and we went ahead and bought the donut, the cover, and the screw that holds it down. The reason we bought the screw is because the full-size spare is tall, and this one's short. So you can see there's a significant difference there. Here you can see the difference between the two, the donut of course, and then the full-size spare. The full-size spare impressively did come with a Potenza RE040, just like the car did from the factory. I'm really impressed that they included that on the spare. But once you swap over the covers, the screws, and then put the donut on, it does save you 13.25 pounds in the front, and of course it is smaller as well. It's too funny to me that it still says that it's limited to max 80 kilometers an hour on the full-size spare with a steel rim and a Bridgestone Potenza tire. There's no way that that's true. They must have just put it on there because they always put it on the donut before. I just think it's too funny. Much to my surprise, the cover for the spare from the junkyard and the full-size spare cover are actually the same size, so they didn't actually change that when they changed the tire. I've got the donut installed and I've got it screwed in. I just got the shorter one of these from the junkyard so that it fits this thinner donut tire. As you can see, there's a ton more space in here now, and I know this is a compromise. I know this is not as good as having a full-size spare, but we're so limited on cargo capacity. Now we can run errands and stuff more easily and enjoy the car more, but still have a spare just in case we need it. I know this is a pretty straightforward and simple, conversion from the full size to the donut. For 60 bucks from a junkyard though, I really like that it offers more cargo capacity, and the weight savings isn't bad either, though that wasn't really, the point in doing it. Just be sure and get that screw that goes into the top because it is significantly shorter than the one that goes on the full size spare. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and if there's anything you want to add I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.